Hello everyone, welcome back. Right, another air fryer video. Okay, so we've done our homemade wedges and tinned potatoes and things like that and given those a go a couple of times. So what we're going to do, I'm going to do a comparison and see how we get on with these ready done ones. So these are Asda French fries. I have tried these, but you've got to be careful because if you put too many in, it's, you know, you've got to keep throwing them about and sort of giving them a shake to make sure they're all cooked evenly. So I'll get these in again and see how we get on. Okay, so we've got them in the air fryer. Right, I've tried to do it. I mean, I know you can't really sort of keep them in single file because otherwise you won't end up with hardly any at all. So I'll give this a go, and what I'll do now, last time I did it, I actually put it on the fries setting. The only trouble is, I mean, I haven't looked at the instructions for it, but it hasn't given me a temperature for it. You can only put it on fries, so it's a preset temperature, but I'm not sure what it is. I think it's about 170, 180. So I'm actually going to go for air fry on this, which is, the default one it goes to is 200. So I'm going to go for that, give it a good bit of heat, take it down to 10 minutes. Give that a bit of a blast and see how we get on with that. And what I might do as well is when it gets to 5, just give them a bit of a shake, so to make sure they get evenly cooked. Okay. Okay, so we're over halfway now. Let's have a look. They're definitely making they're all the right noises. So let's give these a bit of a turn. For the remainder. Okay, look. Yeah, they're getting there. Definitely getting there. They're going to want a little bit longer, but they're definitely getting there. I'd say another 5 minutes, I'd say. I'm going to put them in for another 5 minutes and see how we get on. Okay. Yeah, they're nearly there. Maybe about another couple of minutes. I mean, the trouble is, as I say, if you put too many in, the ones at the bottom just won't get done, but they are edible. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them, but maybe if you like them a bit more crispy, I reckon maybe another couple of minutes. So we'll chuck these in and see how we get on. Okay, everybody, there we go. So that was an extra couple of minutes on there. So you're looking at about 15 to 17 minutes. Obviously, it depends how many chips you've got in there, of course. It's these are for 2 of us, but if you're just doing them for 1, if you've got a few, it's obviously less chips, more room. Might take a little bit less, but no, they are absolutely fine. So there you go. So that is ready done fries, oven or fry, in the air fryer, compared to what we've done ourselves. There you go, enjoy.